Obi ekene m Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ abụrụkwala mbata n'ụbọchị nke taata nwezi nzube bịa n'ụbọchị nke taata ozi gbasara nwanne anyị nwoke Akwa Okuko because this boy na-afụ vidio n'akụkụ ebe anụnwa mee vidio wee kwuo ka Akwa Okuko si a sponsor ndị Yahoo boys and ka Akwa Okuko downfall si wee bido. Biko o nwere ihe m na-ekwu maka ya because this video o mere ya n'oyibo maka ndị ya bịa na-asị m na ha na-ekwu ihe ndị Igbo ebe a. Vidio o mere ya n'obe mana the reason ji post ebe a bụ maka na ya bụ ihe gbasara Akwa Okuko. I believe na 90% of ndị na-enene m na channel a na-anụ oyibo. Biko nụ nwee ndidi na-enene nke a m post n'oyibo. Biko nụ okwu ya n'oyibo ikwukwa m reason ji post ihe nji post ebe a maka na ọ bụ ihe gbasara Akwa Okuko bụ onye Igbo anyị nyenwa mee nji post mee na vidio ka unu ghọtakwana sense ghọta ihe the boy na-ekwu maka onye na-evidio anwụọla aka n'uche ya ghọta sị na ihe nwatakịrị a na-ekwu eziokwu dị n'ime ya. Na vidio ka unu.
Good morning, my people. This is Sudumiri Wakalo. Wherever you are watching me from on the internet, go to Facebook and search for my name, Udumiri and Native Doctors. Udumiri and Native Doctors. That's my page name. Well, today I'm going to be exposing something very, very vital to you. This thing I'm going to expose is a video of the most popular native doctor in Southeast currently. You all already know him, so I don't need to mention him. In this video, this guy was claiming to be chatting with someone, with a Yahoo boy whom he claimed he worked for. And this Yahoo boy was like thanking him for a successful job, a job well done. He was telling this Yahoo boy, the Yahoo boy was telling him that his client has paid and he's going to bring some gift as Thanksgiving to him. Why? Having studied this video, you realize that it's a fake video. It's a fake in the sense that what he claimed to be doing there was not true. In the recent, he was only replying himself. He was replying a voice note he made himself. I don't need to explain much on this. You will understand it after watching the video. Thank you and watch.
Thank you. On Monday, back in Lualo, can you percentage into Silver with Tibia, Adamu Baka, Tibia Cable, Adamu Baka, Aquaba, Iko, Oroma Polo, was on getting Kaku by a blue weekend. So I'm what they like a spider, maybe your spider, Kamalo. Maybe your spider, your percentage, 10%. If you would give a Damola, Kanama, Kana phone at Facebook, Mamma Loni, and Moody Gama. Because, I don't make a no. Make them win a Mary, if a governor map way for a free. Neither American. Thank you. Although, Aqua, and that can say percentage, fine.
My brother Udo na call to MSK I don't busy. My brother mana agwele bia bu dibia na dibia gosi ogwu ma amara na olelele mana onwere ife ọma agwo ọma ba akwa ana m emere ife alụsị Pembelieve bụ ọgwụ a na-agwụ na-afụ n'anya ọ na-abụ agwele bụ ya bụ isi ọgwụ dibịa gwọsị ọgwụ ma ọ lelele ma ara nwere ife ọnwa agwọ ọma bụ Chukwu dozie nwa ngwa Akwa Okuko tiwa akụ onye jụọ ụgwọ ọṅụrụ udo onye si na ọ da-eme omee niile ọgbakọta azụ omee n'azụ ọmụ bụ obulu anụrụ ozugbo enwe nwụ nna m bụ mmiri mara ogo onye ọbaka ọ bụ so ile ọgwụ bụ agwele enwa bụ ndị nlụlọ ọrụ ụmụazị na-atụ akwụkwọ nwere ọ dịrọkwa mma o na ndị ọcha emega anyị ife anyị kwesịrị ka anyị gwa ndị ọcha na uche anyị ka uche fa so onye ka m nwerezie nke a chere onwe m ire ọgwụ dibịa bụ agwa ele so be careful mana unu gwubekwa wayo a gwuo ya ụmụnne anyị ma anụ nke unu na-eme agwụgwọ maka na ewetala m ọlụsị m n'igwu nwanne anyị wayo wee nata ya ego ezije m ya lakata God of Thunder ọ chọba ahụ ife ọya etipu ụbala adama emekwa ọkọ akpọ ọkwọ mgbalaga ọkwọ nseleje akụkọ mma ngozi na ndị ya dị igbo nwayo ma nke egbuo ngụ so be careful goodbye mana ọ bụ ma ndị ọcha anyị ghara awọrịfa na-atụfa akwụkwọ na-agwọ ọrụfa ọgwụ fa na-akwụ ụgwọ kama amara ife eme akparọfa mkpọrọgwụ na mkpa akwụkwọ jee n'ajọ ọfịa maka na ọfọ nwata tigbuo ọfọ okenye nwata emedi okenye nwata nwere respect okenye nwere respect ana m ekene unu ncha bụ ndị na-anụ onu ma ọmachukwu dozie nwa ngwu ana m ekene o onye ọbụla na-arụ ọrụ mana ọrụ a na-agala ọrụ ya ọfụma bịa ka atụrụ ebe ka ajụba osinabụ ka amara ife merụ na ife na-agala aga ka ọ wee gaa aga maka na ọ nwere onye eke n'ụwa na ọma mkpata ego kama onwe ndị na-agba ọkada gbagide ọkada were abụọ ọgaranya o nwere ndị bụ keke ka afa n'anya were alụ ahụ na ịnụrụ ahụ n'ala gụnwa na-ene m anya ọ bụrụgodo aka ka ị na-azụ ya eje bụrụ karịsịa.
Well, having watched this video, I believe you have understood the message. If you are not Igbo, I believe you understood what went on in the video. It's not like I'm envious of this guy's success. No. This very video you are seeing there right now was not stolen by me, nor did I hack anyone's phone to take this video. No. He was the one who made this video available on the internet years back when he was still struggling to gain relevance in the Juju industry. So don't see it like I'm trying to bring him down. No, he was the one who put this video on the internet about 3 or 4 years back when he was still struggling to gain relevance in the Juju industry. That's number one. Now from this video, you can understand the foundation, the basis of his success, of his fame in his line of work, which is native doctor work, spiritualist. And this brings us to the question, if this guy is fake, then why do people bring a lot of thanksgiving in form of cows and cash to this guy? Why do people still bring all these gifts to thank him for your job well done? I'm here, I am going to explain this to you. Now here is how this guy makes his money, how he became a billionaire from Juju. If you have ever visited this guy's home where he does his Juju work, you agree with me that in a month, up to 5,000 or 3,000 people visit this guy. And to see this guy face to face for consultation, not to do the Juju, you spend like 120,000 naira. If you doubt me, make your inquiry. 120,000 naira just to see this guy face to face. We are not talking about doing any Juju, just to see him and talk to him for consultation is 120k. So whether you later decide to do Juju or not, your 120k is gone. And then if you finally decide that you want him to work for you, to do Juju for you, the cheapest Juju in his shrine is about 1 million naira, the cheapest one. Let's say you want to do the cheapest one, it's 1 million naira. That's it. And this guy works for about 200 people, a minimum of 200 people in a month, a single month, 200 people pays 200 million naira to this boy you are seeing for Juju. Then multiply 200 people by 12 months of the year. You know what the number will be. Then multiply that number by 3 years. That 3 years he has been relevant on the internet. You and I know what the number will be. Multiply it yourself before I go on. Now, if this boy is rare, if his Juju works, we should be expecting about a minimum of 10 to 15 people every day bringing Thanksgiving to this boy. Yes. After you have done your calculation, if the Juju he does to all these people works, we should be expecting about 10 to 15 every day on his Facebook timeline. Bringing Thanksgiving, bringing cows and cash. But no, this is not what we see. The Thanksgiving we see on his timeline usually comes seldomly. Maybe once in a week, 2 times in a week, once in a month. Watch his timeline. The Thanksgiving comes seldomly. And now ask yourself, what about the rest? What about the rest? Why are they not bringing their own Thanksgiving? Use your senses. Where are the rest? Why are only few people bringing Thanksgiving? Where are the majority? Now I will explain to you why you don't get to see the majority there giving Thanksgiving. Do you know that if you masquerade yourself as a pastor or a prophet and go into a crowd of about 50 people and prophesy to them that they will become millionaires this year is remaining about 7 to 6 months. Do you know that if you go into a crowd of 50 people and give them this prophecy, there is a possibility that at least 2, 3, or 6 out of these 50 people will by chance, by luck, or by hard work become millionaire this year. And these 6 to 3 people will come back to bring Thanksgiving and give tax money in your church. You yourself, you already know that you didn't do anything. You don't have power, but you have used their senses. And when this 3 or 6 comes back, people who have sense should be asking themselves, where are the rest? Why only 6? Why only 3? This is exactly what happens in this boy's shrine. Let's say 50 people have gone to this boy's shrine to work. After like 4 months, 5 months, you only see about 2 or 3 or 4 or highest 7 out of these 50 bringing test money, bringing Thanksgiving to this boy. Where are the remaining 43? These remaining 43 are the 43 who will go and never come back. Because they did not see anything, they did not see any result. They have finally realized that they were scammed. And they will never tell anybody about it. This is why you hardly hear people coming to tell you on Facebook that Akwa Okuko scammed them. They will not do this because they do not want the crowd, they do not want the public to know that they did Juju. You and I know the stigma attached to Juju. So for this reason, you will never see them come to complain. They will hide. And this 7 or 6 or 4 that comes to give Thanksgiving on Facebook are the ones who became successful. They are mainly Yahoo boys who became successful only by luck, by chance, or by their own efforts. But because they are stupid, their success happened at the very period they went to Akwa Okuko's place for Juju. It was a coincidence. If it's not a coincidence, more people should be coming for this Thanksgiving and not few. Do you now understand me? Now, it doesn't even end there. It doesn't end there. These few 3 or 4 people that bring Thanksgiving to this guy will still be used as bait on social media. Do you know what that means? This guy, Akwa Okuko, will still use these few mugus as bait on social media by posting their gifts and their testimonies. Yes, if 2 or 3 Yahoo boys struggles to bring testimony to this boy, what he does is post their testimony on Facebook, post their gifts and their stories, their success stories on Facebook. And you who is watching will be impressed. You will be motivated. You will be attracted to come and take your own blessings. You'll be like, since this guy is blessing these people, let me go and do my own juju so that I will be successful too like these people. And when you finally go, you become scam too. And you are not the only person who this thing is attracting. These videos, these fake Thanksgivings is attracting thousands of people on daily basis. As long as people keep viewing this thing, new mugus will be falling for this boy. And I only fear that it's going to take more years before this boy's reign will be over. Yes. Do you now see the magic here? It's not Juju that is giving this boy money. It's not Juju like the Juju has power. It's sense, calculations, manipulations. So even after scamming about 50 people, he still uses the few ones that managed to bring Thanksgiving for bait. He uses this one to attract you again to himself. So when you see cows and cash being brought to this guy, and you see beautiful testimony, beautiful success stories, you will now be attracted to go and do your own juju and become successful. And when you go there, you become a victim. And you are not going to be the only one who will go there. Thousands of people are watching him and they are planning to go, even as I'm talking to you now. So the only thing you can do now to save these people that are planning to go is share this video so that they will see it and come back to their senses. Believe me, many people sell their shops, they sell their land, they sell their properties just because of these fake testimonies they see on Facebook, because of these fake Thanksgivings on Facebook. And at the end of the day, they become scammed, frustrated. Many of them turn kidnappers. Many of them turn armed robbers just because of this thing you see on Facebook. So if you share this, you are going to be reducing these things. Okay? Share the video. Thank you for watching.
Obi bụ ejikwa m n'aka unu afụcha anya vidio, biko nyere na anyị aka subscribe na this channel, biko gbasa vidio anụnwa, tikwa aka na the bell icon ka ị na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla anyị tiri vidio fụ. Like ya this post, drop all your comment, tikwa your notification on, biko ka ọ dịnụ mgbe ọzọ.